to Victor Wanyama, who flew our flag high in Premier League, and of course, our own McDonald Mariga, and I see him there. The first Kenyan to win UEFA Championships League. Congratulations, Mariga. And these are men who inspired generations and reminded us that Kenyan talent belongs to the world stage. Kenya is without a doubt a football crazy nation. We don't just watch Premier League. We live it. We breathe Premier League and argue about it every weekend as if we owned the clubs ourselves. Whether you are red, blue, or sky blue, whether you are Arsenal, Manchester United, Chelsea, Liverpool, and Manchester City, you can feel the energy across our towns, estates, the villages, and every day in every match. Now, as many of you know, I'm a proud Arsenal fan. It is true that the last 2 decades have not been very easy for us. We've had our own share of heartbreaks and near misses. But if you have been watching Gunners lately, then you know the style, the swagger, the spirit. It's all coming alive again. So to our friends in the EPL and across Europe, watch out. Arsenal is back. Today's celebration has been made possible through the partnership between Premier League, Guinness, the official beer of the league, and our very own East African Breweries Limited, a company that has been part of Kenya's story for over a century. And speaking about Guinness, last evening a friend of mine